everyone, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss one question which is from club and society again, and in this question you'll find different thing. So let's start today's video with this question. The A1 sports club was formed some year ago. The club having 100 members and annual subscription is 70. A few year ago the club borrowed 3,000 from a member with a 3% annual interest. In addition to providing sports facility, the club had cafe for the members. All suppliers of the cafe purchase the credit terms and all sales are made in cash. Okay. Now, in this, if you're going to move forward, there are further information in which this information related to the 30 April 2017. So 1st April 2016 we are having this much things, and receipt and payment during the year subscription we are having for 2016, 2017 and for the year 2018. Okay, this much, and everything is given to you, every information. Okay, this is your information regarding the year ended 30 April 2017. So now in first part they ask you to prepare the receipt and payment account for the year ended 30 April 2016. Insert a figure for receipt for cash sales. Okay, you can insert it by your way. How you going to, means they are asking you to find out the cash sales by your receipt and payment account. So the thing is, how you going to prepare your receipt and payment account. In the question the opening balance is given to you, which is 31, the balance brought down is given to you, which is 3180. Now from the question, if you're going to take receipt side first, so first of all we have subscription. So now the question arises, which subscription we are going to take. Okay, because there is a difference in income and expenditure account and receipt and payment account. The foremost difference is, in income and expenditure account we are only record those transactions which is related to the current year, but in the receipt and payment account you have to record transaction which is related to the previous year, current year and your next year. Okay, so it means you have to record all these three values as subscription. So how you going to calculate it? First you have to add 560 plus 6300 and 280. Then after calculating it, you'll get subscription 7140. This is your subscription which you're going to record in your receipt and payment account. Okay, so in receipt and payment account, mark my word. Okay, in receipt and payment account we are going to record this much as subscription. So here we are going to record subscription 7140. Okay, after that what else you have? Now amount owing. Okay, wait, because receipt and payment account is for the year ended 30 April 2017, so we are going to take these amounts. Okay, cafe sales. This cafe sales this cafe sales we are not know where it is, means because there is a question mark, so we don't know about the cafe sales, but yes we know about this other things like rate. After that cafe sales, what you have? Rate, cafe sales, payment to cafe suppliers. So if there is any payment, means you're going to record this to your payment and this to your payment side. And then next is your rates. Also it is rates and premises, so it's also your from payment side. General expenses, general club expenses, it is also your payment, so you have to record it as your payment side. Cafe wages is also your payment, so again you're going to record this amount in your payment side. Then loan interest and repayment of half loan, again you paid something, so it is also recorded in your payment side. Then purchase of equipment, again you paid something, means your cash outflow, so again you have to record this in your payment side. Okay, then proceed of sales of old old sports equipment. Okay, so proceed means you're getting something. So if you're getting something, it means it's your receipt, so receipt side. Okay, then this much you're going to use. Okay, after that whatever the balance you're having, that's your cafe sales, because the closing balance of bank is also given to you here. That is your bank overdraft. If it is not going to give us, then they will give you cafe sales. Okay, so if cafe sales are there, so by using that value you can easy to calculate your closing balance of cash or bank. But if closing balance of cash and bank is already given to you, it means you have to find, it's easy to find out the cafe sales. Okay, so moving forward here, now we have to record each and everything which we are discussed. So the first thing is, the first thing is our uh, payment side. So I already mentioned, like cafe suppliers. Oh god, so dark. Wait. So cafe suppliers is 3796. Okay, after that rates were there, that is 960, and general expense also are there, 910, and then cafe wages were there, which is 1040, and then loan, okay, which is 1500, and plus interest on loan, that is 90, and 4000 is your, because you purchase equipment. Okay, so in the, this is all your payment side. So now what you get after selling, you get proceed from sale of equipment. So it's your receipt, that's why we are going to record it here. Okay, and yes, it's closing balance or given to you. So it's your bank overdrafts, it means bank balance carried down, that is 2626. Okay, so now whatever the difference you are having, that is your cafe sales. Okay, so after adding this side, we'll get 1547, again 15476, and after out of this value we have to deduct 2626, 430, and 7140. Then our cafe sales is 5280. Okay, I think this concept is clear to you. The thing is, it's very easy to recognize, like what are your receipt and what is your payment. Okay, the thing is, the main difficulty is the question arises sometimes, you will get confused, like what subscriptions amount you have to record in receipt and payment account, current year, previous year, and next year were going to be recorded as subscription. Okay, so moving forward, in B part they ask you to prepare the income statement. So income statement is very easy. First of all, you have to record your revenue. Okay, revenue, and then from revenue, what you have to do, you have to deduct cost of sales, and then in that, opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Okay, and okay, and then whatever you are having, that's your profit, and if you have further expenses, then deduct that expenses, and then you'll getting your net profit. Okay, so revenue, what is your revenue? You already calculated. कैफ़े का सेल कितना हुआ था, कैफ़े सेल इज़ 5280, so we are going to use it here. Okay, 5280, right? Yes, 5280. After that we need to know opening stock and closing stock. Where it is given to you, cafe inventory, opening and cafe inventory, closing. Okay, so these two value we know. And for the purchase, again, for purchase, if there is no information in the question, then you have to calculate purchase from the supplier account. Okay, so purchase opening stock is are 298 and the closing stock is 216. Okay, now purchase, how you going to calculate the purchase? Again the same thing. For calculation of purchase, you need to calculate the supplier account, opening balance this side, balance brought down, closing balance this side, balance carried down. Okay, and whatever payment you made, you have to record it. Okay, this side. Okay, after calculating this supplier account, what is your supplier opening value? It is also given to you in your question. Amount owing 311. Okay, so 311. Then closing value 393. What amount you paid? Payment to the cafe supplier, that is 3796. So 3796. Now find out the value. 3796, 393. Add these two. Chetin. And then deduct this much, 311. So 3878. Okay, so here you have to record 3878. So 3878 is your purchase. Okay, I think this thing is clear to you. In my previous videos also I give a lecture about how to calculate the purchase. You have to just follow that. Okay, so now 3878, then add this and deduct this, 3960. Okay, if you are having any other expenses, you have to record it. Wages, that is 1040, and then deduct this wages here. Add 5280 plus 3960 minus 1040, 280 is your net profit. Okay, so this is how you're going to solve this. Okay, then there is a theory question. In C part, they ask you to state the amount of subscription which will appear in the income and expenditure account for the year 30 April 2017. Give one reason also, because in the very starting there is a question in which in this question there is clearly they told you information regarding this, like here in the very top they told you like the club having a 100 members and every member have to pay $70. So now as per this information, 100 into 70 is 7000. So this subscription is going to be recorded in income and expenditure account. That's why at the time of preparing receipt and payment account, I emphasize that thing, like this subscription we are going to record in receipt and payment account. Okay, only in receipt and payment account, not in your income and expenditure account. Okay, in income and expenditure account we are going to record 7000. So the C part's answer is amount. You have to write, dollar is already written here, so 7,000 you're going to record, and in bracket you can record 70 into 100. Okay, so why you're going to record this amount? Because this is the amount of subscription which is related to which year, which is related to this financial year. Okay, this financial year. So again I'm going to tell you, in receipt and payment account we record every information, whether it is current, whether the information is from current year, previous year or next year. Okay, but in income and expenditure account we only record information which is from our current year, means our financial year. That's why we are only going to record 7,000, not other information. Okay, now list 5 items included in the receipt and payment account which is not appeared in our income and expenditure account. Obviously you, from the receipt and payment account, what information we are going to record in our income and expenditure account. First of all, we have to open our receipt and payment account, and in A part they ask you to prepare receipt and payment account. Okay, so what information you are not going to transfer in your income and expenditure account? The first thing is this much, this thing 3180 you are not going to record. Okay, then cafe suppliers, yes, this is going to be recorded. Then what means assets you are not going to record. Okay, purchase of equipment, we are not going to record this information. Okay, proceed from sale, whatever we got from cafe sales we are not going to record, because cafes are different business. Okay, repayment of the loan, interest loan we are not going to record. Okay, but interest we are going to record. Okay, next is rates we are going to record. Okay, and cafe sales, this the closing value, this one. Bank OD is also not going to be recorded. Okay, cafe wages, if it is related to the cafe, again we are not going to record it. Okay, and the subscription, because here we take all subscription, right? But say out of this subscription we are only going to record 7,000 which is of our current year. It means 140 we are not going to record. Okay, so this is the thing, these much items you are not going to record in your income and expenditure account from receipt and payment account. So I think this question is clear to you all. If you're having any doubt, please let me know. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.